Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Avirash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 29th March 2021. So this stock recommendation and analysis is for 29th March only. You will see me tomorrow again with a new list of stocks for 30th March 2021. So thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendation so that you get to stay ahead of the market. I bring videos on daily basis so that I can contribute a little towards your trading journey. So let's jump to the screen then. As you can see on the screen, I have already the name of the first stock, and it's Coca-Cola. Okay, as you can see, the stock has closed at 53.04 level, and the stock has crossed the daily resistance, which was at 52.88. And just look at the size of the big green candle. It suggests that yes, there was good buying pressure, and the stock has successfully crossed the daily resistance, which was also a very good sign. Therefore, we will be looking for buying opportunity on the stock above the this level 53.15 level. This is the previous day's high. Okay, see, instead of just recommending the stocks for stocks with the prices, okay, I also try to educate you. I also try to make you understand why and where you should buy and sell, so that after down the line, after 1 year or 6 months, you also uh, develop the ability to screen your own stocks. Okay, you can also filter out your own stocks. So the main purpose of this channel is to educate you, so try to learn. Okay, so the next stock for the day is Mastercard. Okay, for Mastercard, you can see that the stock has closed at 366.14 level. Okay. And surprisingly, the stock just closed at the daily resistance. Okay, it, unlike Coca-Cola, it could not cross the daily resistance. Okay, it tried its best, but it could not. Okay, and it just closed at the daily resistance somehow. Okay, therefore, what do we need to do? Okay, we need to look for this price level. Uh, if we see that there is a gap up open on the stock, and the stock opens about 366 67 level, then wait for 15-30 minutes and just observe the stock. If you see that the stock is trading comfortably above 367 level after 15-30 minutes, you can buy. On the other hand, if there is a gap down open and during the market session, if you see that the stock has crossed the 366-67 level, and then also you need to wait for 15-20 minutes and just try to observe the price. Just observe the price and see whether it is trading comfortably or not. If you see that yes, the stock is trading comfortably, then it will be clear to us that yes, the resistance has become the support now, and 367 is a good price to execute the buy order. Okay, so 367 is very important for Mastercard. So the third stock for today is JP Morgan Chase. Very good stock with beautiful uptrend. As you can see, JP Morgan Chase, okay, is in a beautiful uptrend. Okay. And it has closed at 155.09 level, and it went down. Okay, it went down, but ultimately it took support at the daily support level, which was available at 153.5 level, and from there it bounced. It formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Generally, a hammer kind of a pattern suggests that yes, buyers are present in the market who are not allowing the price to go down. So, which is a very good sign. So, what is the price that we need to look for? This is the price, 155.5 level. Go for buy above 155.5 level only. No short call for JP Morgan Chase because the overall trend of the stock is towards the upside. The next stock or the fourth stock is Pfizer. For Pfizer, we can see that the stock has closed at 36.25 level. Okay, and just like Coca-Cola, it has also crossed the daily resistance level. Daily resistance at 36 level, and the stock has almost closed at the day's high. Therefore, simple call for Pfizer. If you get the stock above 36.30 level, it's a buy. Okay, so buy above 36.3 on Pfizer. And the next and the last stock for the day is Nike. For Nike, you can see that it has formed a hammer kind of a pattern, but we need to observe one thing here. Okay, Nike made a low of 129.9. Okay, 129.9. But buyers were present in the market who did not allow Nike to close at 129 level, and they pushed the price all the way up to 132, 133 level. Okay, and ultimately it closed above the daily resistance, which is also a very good sign. And overall, you can see that Nike has formed a hammer pattern on the daily chart. Therefore, buy above 133.2 level. Okay, if you get Nike above 133.2 level and you see that, or if you spot that yes, buyers are still present in the market, then it's a buy call for Nike. So these are the 5 stocks for 29th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendations. Thank you so much. All the best. See you again.